Home remedies. A long time ago, when people were sick, they didn't go to the doctor. And they didn't buy medicine from the drugstore. Instead, they used home remedies. Medicine made from things people already have at home. Do you know, guys, even these days, many people like to use home remedies, because they are cheap and easy to use. Here are some old home remedies, from the United States. When you have stomach problems, eat a lot of yogurt to help your stomach work better. Drink tea made from ginger, peppermint, or chamomile plants. Reduce alcohol and coffee. When you have a headache, don't eat very cold food, like ice cream and cold drinks, etc. Lie down and close your eyes. Breathe calmly and don't think about anything. Put a hot cloth on your head, about your eyes. When you have sleep problems, don't take dinner late at night. Have a small, light dinner early in the evening. Eat lettuce for dinner. It helps you feel calm. We eat raw onions to help you sleep. When your ear hurts, cook an onion and put the hot onion on your ear. Put some salt in a bag, heat the bag, and put it on the side of your head. Put warm oil in your ear.
Thanks for watching.